Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of fans and their preventive maintenance strategies. You will learn about the different types of fans, their functions in HVAC systems, and the importance of regular maintenance. We will also discuss the role of a CMMS in scheduling these maintenance tasks. Now let's unravel the mystery of fans and their upkeep. Let's dive right into the world of fans, specifically their preventative maintenance. Fans are more than just simple devices that keep us cool. They are critical components of an HVAC system, changing the airflow and pressure in a given area, which results in a decrease in temperature. There are two types of fans that are commonly used: centrifugal and axial flow. You might have heard of centrifugal fans being used in aeration applications, often referred to as squirrel cage fans. On the other hand, axial flow fans can be either propeller-based or tube axial-based. The propeller-based fans are great at keeping dirt and debris from accumulating, while the tube axial-based fans operate at a higher pressure and flow rate, making them more efficient. Now let's talk about fan maintenance. Despite their relatively simple design, fans can provide years of service with very little maintenance. However, this doesn't mean they should be ignored. If a fan breaks down, the entire HVAC system will stop working. Therefore, preventive maintenance is crucial to keep fans operating reliably. So what does maintenance for fans look like? It includes tasks like tightening belts, inspecting bearings, cleaning blades, and lubricating moving parts. And a pro tip for you, rely on a CMMS to help you remember to schedule these key maintenance tasks for HVAC fans. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of a preventive maintenance checklist for fans. If maintenance technicians must turn off or sequence fans each day, they should perform an overall visual inspection of the system to see if anything looks amiss. But the maintenance doesn't stop at daily inspections. Fans typically require only monthly and annual maintenance work. On a monthly basis, technicians should check and clean pulleys, blades, and filters. They should also check the alignment and tension of belts, perform regular lubrication, and inspect dampers and air quality. And let's not forget about the annual maintenance. Once a year, it's important to inspect, clean, and repair wiring, ductwork, coils, and insulation as needed. Remember, fans are simple, yet critical components of an HVAC system. Although daily maintenance is minimal, monthly and yearly tasks should not be ignored. So keep your fans well maintained and they will keep you cool for years to come. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of fan maintenance, the role of a CMMS in scheduling tasks, and the preventive maintenance checklist for fans. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Keep your fans running smoothly and stay cool.